Hello! In this video I will review the MAXIFY GX5000 series printer. I will show the following, and the product may be called different names in different countries. In the upper right corner of the screen you find more videos in the playlist of MAXIFY models. Let me cover the key differences of GX series. I put the key product configuration on the screen. And let's see in more detail. The top model is GX7000, which can scan two-sided originals. All the multifunctionals have touch color display, and only 7000 model has two paper cassettes. And fax functionality. The user replaceable maintenance cartridge is supported on all MAXIFY GX models. Find my product review on the multifunctionals in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's see the difference between 5000 and 6000 model. There is no USB memory on the printer, and the display is only mono two-line LCD. I will unbox and display the dimensions in my next video. Let me summarize the key differences on the screen. There are more details you should know about the GX5000 model. Out of the box you can print thousands of pages, and even more by using Eco mode. The Eco mode uses less ink than standard, but still produces business document print. See the very small difference in the quality on the screen. The maintenance cartridge is a consumable, same like the ink bottles. In the bottom paper cassette, I put the plain paper where two-sided print is supported, and jammed paper from the duplex unit is very easy to remove. From the rear tray, you can fit thicker, heavier media, envelopes or creative media, of which you find video in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also print up to 1.2 meter long media on MAXIFY GX models. The ink bottles have mechanical ID, so it's impossible to put the wrong ink into the wrong subtank. Double hole design enable easy, quick and clean refill, and find my setup video in the upper right corner. The GX models can be used with Canon apps, and for a test I print a mobile print job. The ink is pigment and water resistant for all 4 colors. In the last part I put some interface and Wi-Fi security specs on the screen. On the right you can see the GX5000 via the Canon print app, and several software, cloud and mobile printing solutions are supported, but more about that in the next videos. That would be all for this video. Find my playlist link about MAXIFY GX in the description. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you will be notified about future uploads and I can grow my channel and create more videos like this. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.